my plant crazed maniac friends, look at what I found at the next Dollar Tree I went to. So if you saw my video the other day, which if you didn't, I will link it up in the eye and at the end of the video, I was trying to show you how to get some inexpensive plant supplies at the Dollar Tree, and I was trying to tell you you need to go now before this stuff is all picked over and sold out. So I came to another Dollar Tree and saw the full spread for spring 2019, and they have so much stuff. I mean, just everything you could possibly need to get started with your house plants, especially to start plants to be outside. They have different sized clay pots than they had at the store I was at before. They had hanging planters and all kinds of accessories. So I just wanted to hop on here real quick, give you guys a little visual of what I found here that was different than the other store. And then at the end, I'll show you what I picked up. Okay, so I am back. This is Jack.
Hi, Fatty.
So we have a few things. I'm going to actually go back and grab more stuff. I only had $10 on me because I was just going to get thank you cards for my Poshmark store. But of course it's the Dollar Tree, so I ended up finding more stuff than I wanted. So I just grabbed a couple of these guys. I love these things. I hang plants all over my house, so I wanted to grab a couple while they were just $1. Probably going to go back for more. Definitely going to go back for more of these little clay pots. I want to stock up and just have a bunch on hand while I can get them for $1. So the smaller ones have 3 in them. And then the ones we saw in the last video just have the 2. I've already used up all the ones I got the other day too. And then instead of getting those little catering plates, if you want, you can get these actual plant trays that have a little bit of depth to them. So I grabbed a few of these for some of my bigger plants that don't have trays. So these are just great to have on hand because I mean, I feel like I'm always missing trays for my plants. And then not plant related, but really cool. Look at this guy. That's going to be my summertime door welcome sign. How cool is the Dollar Tree, man? I'm into it. But yeah, I just wanted to update you guys on some more stuff I saw since I filmed the last video. So get down to the Dollar Tree, grab your plant stuff while it's cheap, get it while it's hot.